So where are we then?
Lady Bower Reservoir, I believe.
The Lady Bower Reservoir.
Part of the Derwent River, or River Derwent waterways.
With some lovely concrete walls stopping you from seeing the view.
Seeing the view, yeah, exactly.
So while we stop here, I've got a bit of a route planned. We're here, Lady Bower. We're going to be going up Snake Pass to Glossop, and then from Glossop up to the A628, which is another way to get from Manchester to Sheffield, and then back down towards Lady Bower.
Is that that book that I bought for your Christmas present by any chance?
It was about 2 or 3 years ago. I've actually used it a few times, but I've never actually done any of the routes. I've only cut them up, because this route, it's the Buxton Loop. Look at that view, the water shimmering with the sun.
Oh,
so yeah, the routes in this book are flipping quite big. I mean, this one's the Buxton Loop, which is 150 mile, which is a bit too...
Is that what we're doing now?
No. I've only cut a little chunk of it. This is about 40 to 45 miles, I think. Might not even be that. Right. But it's an hour's route. It covers some of the most amazing roads in the Peak District. This does. The first being the A57 or Snake Pass. So there should be a sign.
It says Snake there, look.
There is a sign. So there is a sign as advertised. Later on down the Snake Pass, there's a what's it called? Bleak something. It's I can't remember what you call it now. It's basically a big hill, and there is a crashed B29 Super Fortress on the top of it.
Oh, you know, you'd have done. If you'd done a bit of prepping in advance on your map thing, you could have shoved all your key notes and facts there just to have a glance at.
I didn't think of that, you know. I could actually use this for remembering, because this happens every single time I turn camera on. Just completely.
You forget the names of roads, the names of streams.
I forget my own name sometimes. The only constant with my videos is the bike, the granddad bike.
Well, as you proved again today, it attracts more value. They are of a senior citizen age.
It attracts more attention now.
Come to talk to you. They don't come to talk to me. They come to talk to the vlog.
The Honda DeVille is probably the most. Out of all the bikes I've had, I've never had so much attention on a motorcycle. 9 times out of 10, when I get off the DeVille, someone comes over to ask me about it, like, oh, I had one of those back in 1998, or oh, I had one of them before I quit biking, or it's consistently older people, like, but it's not a bad thing. It is a very underrated motorcycle, and I think you'd agree with me if you had a go on it.
Well, I have had a go on it.
In a straight line for about 2 seconds.
Yeah, that was too much.
That was 2 seconds too much.
But having said that, the Yamaha TDM 850 is also an underrated motorcycle.
It's one of those bikes like the DeVille, which is it's criticised a lot, isn't it?
Usually criticised by people that haven't owned one.
Yeah, I mean the DeVille is, amongst my peers, I get made fun of a lot for it, but it is what it is. It does what I need it to. I've got it fully loaded. I've got tea and biscuits in one panny, camera stuff in the other, flipping, got the other touring stuff, essentials on it. And I've got you sniffing down my ear because you've got a blocked nose, or snuffed up ears.
No, it's not that. My ear's popped.
Yeah, you got a snuff up to unpop.
That's correct.
We learnt that many episodes ago. So this is just a bit of a general video. This is I'm going to call it, it's not the Buxton Loop, because we're not even going close to Buxton. I'm going to call it, shall we call it the Lady Bower Loop, or the Snake Pass Loop, or... Well,
at the minute it's the Plodder route.
That is not a route that you want. Look at this. This is amazing.
What, going slow?
Oh, for God's sake. The environment, obviously.
Oh. Trees.
Biker pics are here, by the way, so
where?
Just try and look cool instead of moaning about the slow drivers.
Oh, it's here, look, on the corner.
There we go, that's our thumbnail sorted. That saved me a job. Tractor!
Come on, Mighty DeVille! You're going to get passed by another bike there, I'm afraid, mate.
I'll let him past.
Oh, this is alright, isn't it? This bit of road here. Still need to be quicker.
Oh, it's a Bonneville. I get a great view now. I don't have to look at your flipping bloody thing.
Thanks, mate.
Oh, what a view.
How far back are you now?
Quite far. My ears are going funny. It's the altitude.
Snuff up, mate. That's what you have to do. Snuff up.
Snuff up to one pop.
Is that it? Snake Pass done?
That's Snake Pass done, but now next is, let me refer to my map, the A628. So we're entering Glossop, a very well-timed sign right here. So yeah, this is Glossop. I'll guide you through it, don't worry. We're not going to be in it for long because it's heading towards Greater Manchester. It's going to get worse and worse, isn't it? Yeah, so just follow the road ahead. Bet you feel like you're on your CBT or something.
What, with a Honda DeVille behind? You just need an high vis on?
My instructor had a DeVille, a 700 actually. Right then, so that's Snake Pass. We're in Glossop, where that white dot is right there. We're going to go up the B6105, I think it is.
Isn't that in from, what's it? Gas Monkey Garage?
What, Aaron
what's it?
Kaufman? He's not in that anymore. He got sacked, didn't he, or something, or he left years
Well, it's
ago.
shut now anyway, I think.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Woo! What's it?
Richard
what's his name?
Rawlings.
Richard Rawlings. Woo! What does that?
Oh, look at this. So, oh, my maps is completely just closed now. Shall I try and do a Hey Google thing?
That's entirely up to you.
Shall I risk it? Oh, let me give it a go. Hey Google. Open maps.
Opening maps.
Bloody hell, it worked! So we're going to go over a little bridge next.
Not an humpback bridge, is it?
I don't think so.
Well, when I was a young rider, I went over a humpback bridge and went over the handlebars. Snapped on my DT, snapped the clutch lever off, and then had to ride home somehow by smashing it into gear without a clutch.
Oh, what a lovely view. This is like perfect weather for this, perfect.
Oh, I like these vents, nice.
Nice bends, aren't they? When you've not got something stuck in front of you going too slow, it's alright. It was a good call getting past that traffic though, otherwise we would have been stuck there for flipping hours.
Oh, definitely. There's a car trying to overtake you in a second. Right, it's going for it. Ah! Failed! He failed, mate!
I'm going to say, where is he going to go?
He's trying to do it again now. He's riding down the middle of the road. He had to bail.
It's a bold move from Volkswagen over...
I'm telling you now, he's gonna, as soon as this traffic's gone, he's going for it.
Oh,
There you go, he's going.
Oh no! We always encounter one, don't we? So this is the A638, no, A628, the Moors. Is it the Moors? No, the Pennines.
Oh look, there's some bar lamps.
Some bar lambs. It's a bit windy.
I was going to say how long I was actually going to ask how long we're on this road for.
5 more minutes. It's a good hour. I've got all this information at hand, isn't it?
Yeah. What is it with these people in Golfs and Beamers? What? I'm trying to think. What do they think? It's a motorcycle. There's not many bikes that they're going to be able to outmaneuver. So why take the risk?
I can think of one that they can. It might be green, and it might be mine. Right, so that's the A628, folks, right there. We're going to jump onto the A616, back down to flipping the ice cream truck at Lady Bower.
Fantastic. Looking forward to ice cream.
Turn here, if you can.
What, to the Steelworks?
The Steelworks, indeedy.
Sheffield Steel.
Whoa, Sheffield was a big industrial city, wasn't it?
It was, that's where the steel came from. And Sheffield Steel.
Do you want some fun facts about Sheffield and the Snake Pass?
Go on then.
So, the Snake Pass, a song was famously written about the Snake Pass by the one and only, the Human League from Sheffield.
Right.
In the very forgettable record The Snake. It's probably one of the worst songs they ever produced. In 2001. 20 years after they hit their album, it's like we've returned to civilization briefly before we venture back out. We've only missed about 5 of our turns. Well, we took a huge detour from the planned route, but we should be getting back onto the correct route very shortly. Although this is a very nice area, isn't it?
Does that mean I can get my ice cream then?
Eventually, if you don't keep missing turns, you'd have failed your motorbike test for not following instructions.
Excuse me, you said the next right. And
you go straight past it.
Not this turn here, is it?
Yeah.
It's too late now. Any other time you'd have gone, oh, I'm going down there, that looks like a road.
This is lovely, this is.
Super smooth, silky smooth.
It is, silky smooth. Nice and grippy as well. Decent bit of asphalt, this.
There's another dam there.
I don't know what water it is, I don't know the name of it.
Certainly a good view.
Yeah, it's certainly a good view, yeah. Look at that view.
Building, just
yeah, what's that?
Middle of a field.
I think
on a hill.
it's got a name, that tower has. I'm sure I saw it on the old Google Maps when I was planning this route.
I was skipping in front of these.
Well, there's nowhere to go. It's a right coming up, so it's like flipping dead tight. No point.
It's a left on mine.
Oh, so it is. I don't know what's up with me lately, you know.
I'm going to start to write it on your boots. L&R.
I have once put my boots on backwards.
Oh, where's my ice cream?
It's taken a bit longer to get back to the ice cream than I expected, to be honest. So the A57, we're back to where it began.
I mean, we're going by biker picks again.
So between us and biker picks again, there is the reservoirs and ice cream. So I think that would be a good way to end it, this loop. Hey, that was another good record by Kraftwerk. Is that what?
Oh, what's coming up?
Well, hey! How many tractors is that? Alright, so left
So
here.
we're going over the bridge, back to the ice creams.
Yep.
Woohoo!
So what's this bridge? It's the Lady Bow Bridge or something? Has it got a name?
We've got this nutcase in his spandex trying to cut down inside.
Whereabouts? Oh,
On your left.
me blind spot.
What, even with your super mirror?
Well, no, I wasn't looking in that. I was just looking around in general.
Oh, ice cream, ice cream, ice cream.
We've got to find somewhere to park here.
I'm pulling over at the other side of the road, man. Now
Ice
there's going to be like a
cream.
million cars now. They're stopping to go in the cars. Got a bit of drama going on here.
Oh,
I've got an impact.
Oh dear.
I need to go in front of him.
what do you reckon?
No,
It's a nice picture of you.
I'm going to switch my